Everybody's asking for a tutorial on how I do my curls and my Sisterlocks with these pillow curlers. So I'm gonna show you. To get started, this is all I use. This is water with a bit of peppermint oil and some Locs Sanity like leave-in conditioner for locks. And then this is Nairobi Rapid Foam and Lotion. How I'm gonna try to do this style is I want everything to kind of come to the front and kind of do it in a circle around my head. But I typically start with this side. This is the section I'm working with. As you can see, not all the pieces are the same length, which makes it a little tricky, but that is what you deal with when you have locks. So I'm gonna do this on dry hair. It's nighttime now, so I'm gonna go to sleep overnight. I'm going out tomorrow night, so it should have almost 24 hours. Typically, I like to concentrate the mousse on the ends because that's the part that has the most trouble laying flat. Then I'm gonna try to go to where the shortest lock stops or starts. I also you want to make sure you're folding it at the end because my hair is long now, so it is actually going to go up the whole lock curler. So now you see we're twisting. So it's going to give you that spiral effect and curling, twisting and curling. Bringing this underneath. And then also rolling up at the same time. Because you can see it's also already starting to twist the hair. I would have... Yeah. And I don't like it to be too tight as it gets to my scalp because it's going to pull. So that's kind of how I do it. Let's do another one together. Spray it down, concentrating on the ends. Specifically. Mousse, again, concentrating on the ends. Take the pillow curler, do a little wrap, making sure you're really tucking the ends. So the ends are tucked, and then we're twisting and curling underneath. Twisting, curling underneath. Twisting, curling. Twisting, curling. Twisting, curling until we get to the top. And then we secure it. I will say this style is more uncomfortable to sleep in than my regular way, my old way of rolling. Okay, so I used to roll it like this. You know, you just roll it up. This way is way easier to sleep in, but you can see the difference, like how this is more spiral. This is gonna come out like something like that. Alrighty. Last one, guys. Rolling, tucking the ends. Wrap and twist. Twist. Under and twist up. Under and twist up. Under and twist up. Fold it like so. And there you have it. I do a final spray down. I don't really wear a scarf to sleep because it just kind of hurts. So I just sleep on a satin pillowcase. And that's all she wrote. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys and it was kind of clear. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, for the reveal.